Jesus, don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Oh, this thing shocks me. Oh, Jesus. Bitch.
Wanna blow up in the limelight, think about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night, trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life.
You know, one day I'm going to sit myself down, like sit down. I want to talk to you. Why can't you ever look right on camera? Why do you always, what the fuck is this? Why do you always come on camera looking crusty? That's the question I need to ask myself, because I need to hear the reason. But anyway, good morning, welcome to another vlog. It's a Saturday morning and the sun is out. Everywhere is shiny and bright. Everywhere is just bright. Like, it just changed my mood. Like, I'm walking on sunshine. Oh, I'm walking on sunshine. Oh, and down if you good. Oh, and down if you. By 3:30 today we are going house. I'm going house hunting. So this is just going to be a continuous thing in my video. See, my hand is dry, whatever. I woke up this morning and my whole skin is flaking up, so I need to go and shower and moisturize, but that will be after I do everything I'm supposed to do today. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Somebody's crying, go low. Somebody's crying, go low. I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
So I'm eating fries and burger. Yeah, that's what I'm having this morning. Chin maternity cuts. I just got done eating. I want to get dressed because we're going house hunting. I like to be fun, like a song. Come on. This song has been in my head for a long time. Like, the fuck? I'm gonna sing what I want to sing when I want to sing it. And you guys know that my brain comes on and off. I'm ready to go. And yeah, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Turn on the light. Turn on the light and see, baby. And you better focus. Anyway, yeah, I'm wearing this crop top with this sorry. No, it's not what I wore, and I did not film it. I'm wearing this crop top with these joggers and my white shoe and my jacket. I want to show you a little bit of belly. It reminds me of that you know that scene like in what's the name of that show, Euphoria. Look, I'm not supposed to be here right now because I'm dressed like a hooker.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to be here right now because I'm dressed like a hooker and none of you like me.
That's how I feel. No, I'm not dressed like a hobo. Like, who cares? Who cares? This is what I'm wearing to go out. I think I should take a picture. Take a picture. Say please, take a picture. Thank you. You cover your face like Osama bin Laden. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This place, like people that I literally held the door for us and opened it until we passed. These people are so freaking nice. So first of all, I really liked this house. I liked almost everything about this house apart from the location. So we decided to compromise on location so that we can get the house we like, since everything closer to town is going for like really crazy price. So we decided to compromise on the location. This place is like 30 minutes away from town, which is like kind of far. So we thought it will not go crazy. The asking price of this house was 320. So we said to be like, let's say 7,000, 70,000 above asking. Like we are going to get it because this place is Middlesex. We thought we were going to get it though. This place is Middlesex view. It's like really far. So yeah, right. And everything was just on point. It was like almost everything I wanted, even though the living room was small. Everything is fine. The room was a lot bigger. It had this beautiful walk-in closet. Let me just say walk-in closet. It had a nice bathroom and all of that. It had 3 rooms upstairs and 2 bathrooms. One is in the master bedroom, and the other one is like in the corridor or something. Just the other one is just still upstairs there. And it had also a laundry room upstairs, which I love. I love the laundry room upstairs, so that you don't have to hustle to bring the clothes from the basement to this thing. It also had like a bathroom in the basement too. So generally this place had 3 full baths and 1 half bath. The rooms were a lot bigger. The other rooms were a lot bigger. Just the place was nice, right? So we were like, oh, we will beat 70k above asking and we'll get it for sure, because it was not going crazy here. Little did we know that as we are planning on bidding, that's how others were planning on bidding. And at the end of the day, this house went for I want to say 430. This house went for 430. Like, it's crazy. That's when it hit us that this market is crazy. People no longer care about the location, no longer care about all those things. They just want to get a house. I'm giving up on you. Sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I'll follow you. Now you're becoming bold, talking in my video. Say something, I'm giving up on you. You guys don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Swallow my pride. You're the one. So guys, since I'm already shut the fuck up. Since I'm already out, I decided to go to Ikea to just look around and see if there is anything I can pick up for the house. They've not yet paid me. Knowing that I'm living from paycheck to paycheck. I'm living from paycheck to paycheck. They don't want to pay me.
390, they have to come with all the conditions. Because I think 390 is like almost guaranteed to get it.
That's what he said about 360, but look at you. All wrong and loud.
I've not realized at that time.
All wrong and loud. Hi guys, so I'm back, but let me tell you guys something. I've been back for like I've been back for up to 30 minutes, but I was looking for my handbag because I didn't know where I dropped my handbag. I wanted to film because my camera was in my handbag, right? I was looking for this thing all over the house. I was like, did I forget it in the car? I went downstairs, looked for it in the car. It was not in the car. I was just looking for it all over. I wanted to cry, like, did it fall off? What happened to my handbag? All the while, this is how I was looking for my handbag. I was looking for it all over the place. All the while, this bitch was here. I was carrying my handbag. And I was looking for it. I was carrying it. So basically, we were at Ikea when it was time for them to close. You know, it's 7 o'clock here now, and everywhere is still like pretty much bright. My camera is about to die. But yeah, let me show you guys the frame before my camera dies. This is the one I want to put in the room. The size is 16 by 20, and then they have the bigger ones I'm going to put in the parlor. So I bought 3 of each sizes. I'm going to look for paintings online, download the high definition and go and print it. So I'll do that next week, God willing. You guys, let me charge my camera and I'll talk to you guys later. I love you, bye. So the outfit is giving me very much basic, very much I don't want to dress up, very much simple. Yeah, well, whatever. I'm looking for a chance to wear this green shirt, and the only thing I can find to pair it up is this trouser. I wish it was a bit longer. I have a longer one, but it's not high waist, and I really don't like anything that is not high waist. So yeah, this is it. And yeah, of course my jacket because it's cold. I don't know why this thing is open. Yeah, and my handbag. So let's go to church.
Somebody's crying, oh Lord. I need your love today.
You have me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of a tiger, fire, cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder than a lion, cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Don't hear me roar. Hi people. Hello guys, good morning. Damn, Snow White, who is this? Good morning guys. So it's already, oh, this thing shocked me. Oh Jesus, this thing shocked me. This light bulb, this light switch shocked me. Maybe because I tried to turn it on with this ring. Bitch. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm ready to go to school. It's Monday. This is not school. Stop saying it's school. I'm ready to go out. It's Monday morning. So yeah, let me show you guys what I'm wearing today. Spring is slowly coming, so I'm showing a little bit of skin. I told you guys, once it's 16 degrees, everyday bikini. I'll wear bikini and be going outside. Anyway, yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Cute. In my shoe and my mom jeans. That you didn't mean what you wrote in the song about me. You said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Hi guys, so I made it to class. Yesterday was so, I don't know, Yesterday was so stressful that immediately I got back, I just went straight to sleep. Then woke up in the night, and I did a little bit of editing and went back to bed. So yesterday was uneventful, but I'm going to school. I'm going today, and I'm ready to go today. And let me show you guys what I have on, what I got on. People always asking me, hey Brandon, what you got on? They'll be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. There's just splat. There's the splat right there. So this is what I have going on with me. This top, these big jeans, this brown jacket, and my white shoe. It looks good. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Yeah, I'm late. So I'll see you guys sometime today. Bye. So I cherish the old rugged cross. Heal my trophies. At last I lay it down and cling to the old rugged cross. Change it someday for a crown. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Wednesday and I'm on my way to my work program. But after my work program, I'm going to do my name registration because I've not done it, and the people that are doing it in Halifax are leaving Halifax this week, so I have to go and do it. But yeah, today I have a mock interview, like interview practice. You know, you meet with people that conduct interview, they will ask you questions, you reply them, and they will give you correction as to what to do and what not to do. They'll watch your body language, your hand gestures, you know, the way you answer the question and all of that, just to make it help you excel in interviews, because interviews are necessary, you know. So I want like something corporate, just hi babes. So I'm done with class. I'm done with class today. I'm going to do my need registration thingy because why not? The mock interview went well. I got good feedback and I'm heading home. The BVM thing was not, I said BVM. The name thing was not even stressful for me. It wasn't stressful at all, like that. And when I put in my VVN, I found out that I'd already registered. I already have my name, so there was no need, and they just used my information. So yep, I am back. I'm back. I'm back. 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 I am back. 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 Shawty go up, down. Anyway, I'm back. I'm just going to work on my cover letter and resume because I really need to submit a job application before next week Thursday. Marshall break. I'm supposed to finish my resume this night. I just finished eating.
And I believe in that song.
And I'm watching glimpses of doing what I'm supposed to do.
I will. Okay, let's do it. The 6 married murderesses of the Cook County Jail. In their rendition of the Cell Block 10. Sex. Squish.
He had it coming. He had it coming. He only had himself to blame. If you had seen it, if you had seen it, I bet you would have done the same.
We got to life's candy and the sun's a
Every demon wants his pound of flesh, and I like to keep some things to myself. I like to keep my issues strong. It's always dark darkest before the dawn. Always carrying that host around. All of his best is such a mournful sight. Tonight I'm gonna bury that horse in the ground. Cause I like to keep my ears so strong. It's always darkest before. Shake it out, whoa. Shake it out, shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out, whoa. And it's hard to dance with the devil on your back, so shake him off. Whoa. Guys, oh my god, I miss vlogging with my phone. This is iPhone G7x here, and yeah, nothing happened to my camera. It's just that the memory got full and I transferred the pictures to my laptop, and then I forgot to delete the pictures from my camera using my laptop, and I've not gotten around to doing it since then, but whatever. Anyway, I'm going to get something to eat. You know, that sounds stupid. Yeah, I'm going to get something to eat. So yeah, that's why I said to vlog with my phone, because I cannot not vlog. And my camera became full on Wednesday, and this is Friday, the day this vlog is supposed to end, and I'm not yet gotten around to doing it. This is the mother of laziness. Thank you. What I wore to go out to go and get McDonald's, because like, girl, just McDonald's, just a black polo and this thing on my shoe. Anyway, yeah, I know like you guys have noticed that I now, like, for the past 2 weeks I've just been eating McDonald's. Well, guess what? Because that's what I want to eat. After what I've gone through, best believe that I'm going to eat whatever comes to my mind. I feel like eating. It's life. That's small thing. That's small thing. Person will just, you know. So can I leave? Can I leave and stop judging me? I don't know if you guys are actually judging me, but I can feel some people looking at me and judging me like, why are you eating too much McDonald's? Because girl, I want to. Let me alone. Damn. Anyway, it came with the burger. Let me open this burger. Look at, whoa, calm down. It came with the burger, the fries that I've eaten halfway in the car. Though this is Coke, I guess, and water. Yeah, I drink my water with a straw because I found that it tastes better. And like I said, do whatever makes me happy. And if drinking water with a straw makes me happy, then slap bitch. So guys, I'm done eating, but I didn't eat the fries because I'm full. Just watching Glee. You guys know Glee. And there's this episode where Adi, you know the guy on wheelchair, made a wish, a Christmas wish. Oh, I wish I can walk again. I wish I don't have to use wheelchair, right? And he woke up in an alternate universe. He woke up in an alternate universe where he was walking, and in that alternate universe everything was falling apart. Like Queen died because he was not there to be her friend and to encourage her to walk again. This person, Rachel, did not go to Nyada. She was working in the school library. Cord did not graduate and all of that, and he now felt bad. He now went back and I said, I wish to go back to my wheelchair. I'm like, what? Girl, if I'm ever in a wheelchair and I get the opportunity not to be in my wheelchair anymore, no matter who is dying, no matter who is suffering, no matter who is committing, I don't care. I'm now working now, bitches. You guys should look for your own salvation. Oh, me, I have to suffer and be in the wheelchair for you to turn out to be a better human being. I think the fuck not, bitch. I think the fuck not. Because no, it's not going to happen. I am best believe I'm grabbing that opportunity to work again. Selfless who? Not me. I'm a selfish person. Very selfish. No, yeah, that episode just got me really, really triggered. But because somebody died, that is totally not your fault. She was texting and driving, and the other person did not graduate. That's not your fault because you are not there, always in a wheelchair, trying to give them advice. Now they've turned out to be a train wreck. Girl, I don't care. I am working and I'm dancing. I don't care. Fuck you. I started this vlog crusty, and I'm ending this vlog crusty as fuck. But anyway, this is the end of this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.